Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Half.
What does the dictionary say?
One of two equal parts of a whole.
Math rap.
One of two equal parts of a whole. Two halves make one when all is totaled. Half of a sandwich, half of a cake, 50% of what 100% can make.
Math rap.
Why do the northern and southern hemispheres split the earth in two? Because they have to. Explain half in your own words. Yes, you have to. Is a half cup of water half full or half empty? Why? List things that you can make into half with your bare hands. What are the most times you can fold a standard piece of paper in half? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!